It's all an illusion, all of it. And that this whole physical world that we think we live in isn't really there, and it's not really what we've been told it is. How you going, guys? Campbell here from Spiral Up. Hope you're having a fantastic day. And reality, right? Reality, real, itty. What is it? What's reality? We think we live in a physical world. It seems like a physical world. We've been taught, educated that it's a physical world. And this to me is one of the main reasons why it seems so physical, because that's how we see it. But everything is actually energy. And this has been proven through quantum physics and also through all the stories that we get throughout the past, right? This is energy. And you can prove this to yourself as well, because the highest form of energy is your thoughts. And so you will attract to you what you focus most on. And so this means that everyone is manifesting all the time, but most people are just manifesting what they don't want. But when you realize it's not what you think it is, it's an illusion, it's a game, right? This thing we call life. Life, it's the only game where the rules of the game are to learn what the rules of the game are. It's an interesting place to be, right? But as long as we believe that everything is physical and everything is outside of us, and we have to move these things outside of us around to get results, then we're going to be stuck. As soon as we can get on the concept and start to believe and understand that everything's energy, and so the way to change things is actually through your thoughts, through your imagination, through your belief system. This is actually how we change reality. And this is proven. It's proven through things like the double slit experiment, which literally proved that when we view something with intention, then we make it physical. We turn the energy into particles, okay, therefore making it a physical reality, something we can interact with. And that's what this game is. It's a physical life that we are supposed to be able to interact with things, right? So we can have all these experiences. But again, most people are focusing on what they don't want. And so that's why they're getting what they don't want, because we are educated, we are taught, we have all this news and media and propaganda thrown at us that everything is outside of us, right? The way to change things is to vote in a new leader, something outside of you, right? It's to follow a God that's outside of you. It's to move things around that are outside of you, right? Go and get a job and spend your days doing what someone else in the outside world wants you to do, rather than spending your time on what you want to do and honing your unique abilities, because we all have them, right? So this is really the main thing. If you want to change your world, if you want to change your results, you have to change your belief system. You have to change the program. And this is what education is, the education system. This is what music is today, and movies and TV and the news and all this stuff, social media. That's what it is. It's a program. And so the more focus we put on the outside world, the more that we bring the outside world into us, the more that we make that real in our lives. And the more that we believe it's the outside world that is controlling our lives, rather than the truth that it is the inside world that controls the outside world. Everything is created twice, everything. It's first created as an idea in the imagination, then it's created in the physical world. So if you want to flip your results, you need to flip your thinking. And that's really what it comes down to. And there's numerous ways you can do this. I would say just writing down what you want, starting to write down what are your beliefs, what are your morals, what do you want from life, what do you stand for, what are your values, what value do you bring to the world? Really start to learn yourself. Go within, right? This is what it is. You've got to go within and discover who you are. And when you know who you are, you can start living that, right? Living it in the external world. And that's really when things will start to change, when you can really start to affect the physical world in a big way, is when you know who you are and you walk around and speak your truth. Like, that's the highest form of energy, is to speak your truth. They tell us it's love, and love is definitely a high energy, but to be who you are and to be sovereign and to be truthful is actually the highest value, the highest form of energy there is, because that's what we're here for experience. We're here for unique experience. We're not here to do what other people have already done. We're not here to copy. We're not here to take the outside world, bring it in, and through that decide how we're going to live our lives. That's backwards. It's us. We need to decide how we want to live our lives first and then put it out into the outside world. Start living into reality the future that we want. So I hope you got something from that. If I didn't explain it well, please, leave me some questions. I'm happy to go into this further. And, I'm thinking I'm going to start doing some lives as well. So if you'd like me to do some, like a weekly live where you can ask questions, let me know in the comments below. And of course, leave me a comment anyway, right? Give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and please share this around if you know someone that it would benefit. And have an amazing day. And I'll talk to you all on the next upload. Bye for now.